We begin with breaking news. A Rhode Island couple is killed in a motorcycle crash. The Pinpoint News Tracker is showing you where it happened on Route 169 in Caterbury, Connecticut. The accident happened late this morning, and Eyewitness News has just confirmed with police that the victims are 52-year-old Brad Randall and his wife Rosemary, both from Kingston.
Now, police tell us a car crossed the center line, hitting them head-on. Both were wearing helmets, but they died from their injuries. The driver was taken to the hospital as a precaution. Now, police tell us it's too early in the investigation to make a decision if she'll be charged.
Another big story tonight.